Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create the trending TikTok AI Kung Fu fight with your pictures and your photos. I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. It's very easy. Just as you can see on the screen, you can see the videos they are actually playing. I'm going to show you guys how you can do it very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. So many persons have gone viral on TikTok by using this trending AI Kung Fu fight. All they did was just to use their picture to make this AI Kung Fu fight, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do it. So there's an opportunity for you to go viral as well. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take is to make sure you've gotten the picture that you want to use to create the AI Kung Fu fight. Make sure you have a picture. You can get a picture that has a group of persons inside, or you can get a picture with 2 or more persons inside of it. Then you're good to go. Then the next step you have to take now is to go over to the website called HailuoAI.Video. HailuoAI.Video. So guys, now what you have to do now is to go over to your browser. Whichever browser you're using is going to work out fine. So I'm going to be using my Chrome browser in this video tutorial today. So let me tap on my Chrome browser right away. Once your browser opens up, there you tap on the search bar. Then what you can type in is the website. So let me type it in: HailuoAI.Video. HAILO. So guys can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on enter. So guys, now you can see here's the website. So what you can simply do now is to sign in. So you can sign in with your Google account. So let me sign in right away. Let me tap on sign in at the top. Then let me tap on continue with Google. Then what I will do now is to choose the Google account that I want to use to sign into this website. So let me choose one of my Google accounts right away. Then let me tap on continue. Then let me tap on got it. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to log in with my Google account. You can see it right there at the top. So now the next step you have to take now is to look for the AI Kung Fu fight template. You can use any of these templates to actually do that, but there is a particular one that is actually trending that people are actually using. So let me look for the templates right away, the trending template. Let me keep scrolling. There are so many templates you can use, but there is this particular one that is actually giving people what they actually want. So let me look for it quickly. Let me keep scrolling. Let me keep scrolling. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I think we are getting there now. So guys can see it right there. You can see it right there. It is written Minimax HailuoAI. You can see it right there. Right there is the templates that you have to use. So let me tap on it. It's looking like a war template. So let me tap on it. So guys, now once you tap on the template, the next step you have to take now is to tap on recreate. You can see the button right there at the bottom left. So let me tap on recreate. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see 12V. You can see it right there on the left hand side. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to upload your picture, the picture they want to use to create the Kung Fu fight, the Kung Fu AI fight. So let me tap on this plus icon, the picture icon. You can see guys, it has directed me now to my phone gallery. So let me go ahead now to choose one of this picture right here. Let me choose this one. So guys, now you can see I've uploaded the picture right there. So now the next step I have to take now is to actually impute my prompt. So I have to remove this prompt right here. You can see this prompt is here by default, but you have to erase it. So let me erase it right away. So guys, now you can see I've erased it. Then the prompts that you need to put, the AI prompt that you need to put is something related to Kung Fu fight. So let me impute Kung Fu fight. Then you can impute another one, Kung Fu kick. Let me impute it real quick. Kung Fu kick. Then the next one you can impute is Kung Fu punch. Then the next one you can impute again is Kung Fu flying. Now the next one you can impute again is Kung Fu bicycle kick. Then the next one is Kung Fu boxing. So these are the prompts that you need to impute. You can think of anything that has to do with kung fu fighting. Then let me input kung fu or jumping. Then after that, let me input lastly, let me input kung fu kick fighting. So guys, now this is the AI prompts that you need to input, and in case you want to get this AI prompts, just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see all the prompts right there. And also, in case you want to go over to this website, I'm also going to be leaving the link of the website right there, so tap on the link so that you can be able to do yours. So guys, now the next step now after inputting your prompt now is to tap on where you can see 30. You can see that you can see that purple button on the bottom right where it is written 30. What you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see what's written there, creating. So guys can see it's creating the video. So what you can simply do is to tap on where you can see create history. You can see one job in queue. So let me tap on it right away. You can see guys, it's creating the video is at 8%. So what we can do now is to wait till it gets to 100%, then we can have our kung fu fight video. You can see what's written there, video generation is in progress, exiting will not halt videos creation process. So let's just wait till the video is done downloading. Like I said, you can take the prompt in the description of this video, the AI prompt. So let me just wait for a few seconds or some few minutes depending on how fast your data connection is. Let me just wait. And also guys, let me get to mention this, you're going to be getting this AI kung fu fight video for free. Once you create an account on this platform, you're going to be given free tickets to make AI videos, free kung fu fight AI videos. So guys, you just need to know that. So let's just wait. Like I said, you can see it's at 94%. In the next few seconds now, it's going to get to 100. Then we're going to be having this AI kung fu fight video in our phone gallery. Let's just wait for a few seconds. It's going to be ready. So guys, now you can see our video is done generating now. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see this is the kung fu fight. This is so awesome. This is so awesome and seamless. You can see it right there. So what you can simply do now to download this video into your phone gallery is to tap on where you can see the download icon right there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see at the top file downloaded. You can see it right there. It has been downloaded into my phone gallery. So let me go back now to my phone gallery now to confirm this. Let me go to my phone gallery so you can see that I downloaded it for free. Everything is free. So guys can see it right there. That's the image, then that's the video. So let me tap on the video again. It's a 5-second video. Let me play it. Wow guys, can see. So guys, this is how you can be able to create the trending TikTok AI kung fu fight using this website. And also guys, before I forget, there's something important I need to tell you. Once you've been able now to generate this video, what you can do now is to go over to TikTok. They search for the TikTok sound, the kung fu sound, then use the kung fu sound with this video you've created. Then you're good to go. There you can upload it, then go viral. Many people are actually using this video to go viral on TikTok. So this is your opportunity now. Go ahead, create this video, use the TikTok sound, search for TikTok sound on TikTok, then add it up with this video, then you're good to go. So guys, I've been able now to make this video, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye.